Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to create bootable USB in CentOs. So first things first, we need to download this application Sigwin, because this application is used uh, for commands in Linux, like Linux. So this application gives us privilege to use this like Linux in Windows 10 or any Windows OS. So first we need to download this application Sigwin terminal in the internet, and then we also have to download this CentOS ISO image file. uh, I'm creating this version CentOS 7 minimal. So let's get started. So first you need to click the Sigwin terminal as a administrator. You need to run it. So then we have to locate the location where the ISO image file belong. So here, this is the address. So you need to locate that address on the Sigwin terminal. So we need to type cd c, then enter. Then we are now in the CD drive, so need to type ls, then enter. So here is the folder name, users. So you need to type again cd users. Then we need to click again ls to check what is the name of the folder. We are now in the users folder, so I have to locate this address. So we need to click cd abwen. We need to type cd abwen, then enter. Then we are now in the abwen. Then we need also to type ls to find the folder. So it is in the desktop folder. So cd desktop, then enter. We are now in the desktop. So again we need to type ls. So we are now in the desktop folder. So here it is, the CentOS minimal folder. So we need to type cd cd space CentOS dash minimal, then smash the enter. Then again we need to type ls. So now we are now in the ISO image. So and now we need to type ls. This is where we can start the creation of bootable. So this command shows where we can find any available pen drive or USB devices that we choose, that we use. So ls, we have to type ls space /dev /sd. So what I am trying to show is we have to click, we have to double click the tab in the keyboard, so twice. Then as we can see, we are now in this command, so it gives us the location, the name of installed USB that we will use in CentOS as a bootable device. So this is, so you have to check that. So this is the SDB1. So if we eject this, remove that, then if we again click the tab in the keyboard, double out twice, so oh no, there is oh wait, again we have to find if there is install. No, there's not, none. So I have to click twice the tab, then so here we go. There is no SDB in the location, so this one is the USB bootable that we are using. So first things first, we need to format our flash drive to begin creating bootable USB in CentOS. So be sure to format that one. The name it is start. Then after that, we need to type again. If we check this, if there is a device, so we go, there is the SDB1. So we begin and you have to type first, we have to delete this command. So now you have to type dd if is equal to cent. So I will use the tab to, because we are now in the CD drive, we are now in the CentOS minimal folder, so have to tap, we have to smash the tab button. So that is the ISO image file. So in this we have to space, type space, then of is equal to /dev /sdb/ds. So is equal to 16 megabytes, because we're using 16 gig flash drive. So you have to click smash and wait until it's success. So we'll wait. You have to patiently wait for that. Takes a lot of time because don't worry, it is a few minutes to create. So now it is successfully created. So we're now copied. We don't know what it is. 1 gig. So, now we are after we created, we need to eject the USB. So here it is. We have successfully created the bootable USB in CentOs using Cygwin terminal. So let's check. Thank you. That's all. Thank you.